Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone app crashing after updating to iOS 26. If your apps keep crashing, don't worry, just follow this simple solution step by step. Solution number 1. Check app permission. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the app that crashing. Make sure required permission like camera, microphone, photos, etc. are enabled. Solution number 2. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Select background app refresh. Turn it off for the app that keep crashing. Solution number 3. Check iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap iPhone storage. At the top, check your use versus available storage. Scroll down to see which apps and files are using the most space. If storage is almost full, delete or upload unused app, photos or large files. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and all settings will return to default, but your data will remain safe. That's it. Guys, this method will help you fix app crashing issues on iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.